Detroit, where the local time is 5:22 p.m. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened and your current items stowed until the aircraft is parked at the gate and the captain has turned on the seatbelt sign. Be careful open overhead bins. Overhead hinges from items may shift during flight. In the next several days, you may receive an email or survey from Delta. You welcome and value repeat feedback and use the responses to continue to improve your travel experience. We also invite you to download and use the Fly Delta app for all your future travel needs, including checking in for a flight and managing our SkyMiles account. As we deplane today, we ask everyone to allow extra space while in the aisle. Please remain seated until the customers in front of you have retrieved their items and are deplaning. You may then gather your items and deplane. If you valet check a bag using a pink tag, please wait on one side of the jet bridge and allow space between customers and yourself waiting for bags as well as those walking into the terminal area. Please note that if you do happen to leave the jet bridge, you won't be allowed back and those bags will go to baggage claim. If you have a connection here in Detroit, please wait on your bag and those bags because they will not be going to your final destination. Don't forget to take a look around your seat and make sure you have everything you brought on board. On behalf of Delta and this flight crew here today, we'd like to thank each and every one of you for wearing your mask or face covering over your nose and mouth. We appreciate your understanding and assistance. We also look forward to seeing you again soon. Thank you and welcome to Detroit.